Now you've seen the before pictures. This knife is responding well to the 4-max on the sisal wheel here. Much better than I expected, especially the big one. When you see the before pictures, you'll understand what I'm talking about. And I haven't even wiped it off yet. Still got a bad spot there, and one right there. But I think they're going to turn out okay. Stand by a minute. Okay, I wiped them off with a towel, and you can see a little difference in them. We'll go back to them in a few minutes. Now I haven't sharpened them yet. I'm going to sharpen them in a minute. I just want to clean them up first. Well, I got the knives all finished up. What do you want, carnivore? You hungry? You know, little starving carnivore? Yeah, you're starving. You're so skinny. You have nothing to eat. Okay. See you tomorrow. Maybe. Someplace. Oh, I know what it is. I got a block of knives. I'm going to get in the morning a whole block of Wusthoffs. 8 or 9. I forgot how many the lady said. I'm just going to sharpen them. I'm not going to do anything to them that I know of until I actually see them. So I have something to do tomorrow. Maybe I'll get something else to do tomorrow. Stand by. Good luck to everybody.